In this Flip Flop Navigator adventure, I'm going to teach you how to take trains and buses from Tokyo Station to Nozawa Onsen and Madarao Kogen. The first step is find Tokyo Station. The train you need to go from Tokyo Station to Iiyama is Hokuriku, right there in the middle. It might not say that on your tickets or anywhere else, but that's where you need to go. Right there on the bottom, 11:24. It arrives at the Iiyama station at 13:02. 1 hour and 48 minutes. Hakutaka 561, 11:24. That's the one you want. You go over here. There's machines right here. Today's train tickets only. Or at this window, you can buy tickets up to a month ahead of time. I haven't tried the machines lately, but when I tried them before, they didn't like my US credit card because they wanted a PIN and I don't have a PIN on it. But you can always use cash. It's good to carry cash in case you need to get a ticket fast or along lines or something like that. Hokuriku, Nago, that's where we're going. And we're going to go in the Shinkansen area. This is where I'm going in. Hokuriku via Nagano. See, they have tickets, they put them in, they take them out. I came in with my phone, but if you have a paper ticket like this lady, what you're going to want to do is take your tickets out, right, just like that. 11:24 right there. Track 20 right there. You can get coffee here. There's a waiting room. Ice cream.
Attention travelers. If you have skis or large luggage, please be careful not to block other passengers.
I bought my ticket online, January 16, 2026, 11:24. Arrived 13:02. Hakutaka 561. 11:24. Arrived 13:02. E-ticket. I'm on car 7, seat 90. We're on track 20, so we need to find car 7. First departure, second departure, car 9, we need to be car 7, so we got some more. Car 7. Once you're on the platform, you'll see these Ekiben stalls. Ekiya station, Ben is bento. There's also water, tea. Tokyo Station Bento. If you have skis or large luggage, please put them at the back. You're supposed to reserve the very back seat so you can put it behind the seat. I'll show you after we get in there. So I'm on the 11:24. I have a reserve ticket, but if you look up there, it says cars 1 to 3 are non-reserved. There it is. Cars 1 to 3 are non-reserved. If you have a reserved ticket and you miss your train or you want to catch an earlier train, you can ride any train during the day to the same destination, but you have to go non-reserved. Car 7. I'm in seat 9E, right here by the window. If you don't get the rear seat, what I've done with my bike is I put it in here between the cars. But when you come to each station, you have to take note of which side the door is going to open on. Obviously, if the door opens on the right side, you move your bike over here. If it opens on the left side, you move your bike over there, or your ski gear, or whatever. You're supposed to put it behind the rear seat, but if you can't get the rear seat, or someone that already has their things there, putting it out here is an option. When you leave Nagano Station, start getting ready to get off the train. It's only 11 minutes to Iiyama Station and the exit doors only open for a short time.
About 7 minutes. Passengers getting off at Iiyama, please get ready and wait. The stop at Iiyama Station is short. Please be careful not to leave anything behind.
If you are going to Madarao, do not go out the Madarao exit. Go out the south exit. The bus picks you up on the same side of the station as the Nozawa Onsen bus. Nozawa, you go down these steps to the right, and the bus stop is right here. Right underneath here is a vending machine, 600 yen. The bus stop's right there. Down these steps. They have the bus schedule here, but you don't need it. Nozawa Onsen, 1:30. They time the buses to go with the train. So you walk right out the door here, you buy your tickets here. You can pay with cash, credit card, or your Suica travel card like I paid at Tokyo Station. And then you get on the bus right there. The Madarao ticket machine, Madarao Kogen, is right here. The Nozawa Onsen bus has storage under the bus. If you're on the Madarao bus, you bring your bags and gear on the bus with you. Have a safe trip and enjoy the Japao from Flip Flop Navigator. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below.